Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to go over the PM Silver Bullet on Monday, August 28th. When we come to the chart here, we have buy side liquidity up here, and we're coming back down, and there is sell side liquidity down here. So I have it down here because it looks like we're close to the sell side liquidity. So we'll just put this here and go candle by candle, and I will buy and sell as it goes on here. So let's get started. Alright, so that right there, we have sell side being taken. So it was taken just now. I'd like to see a little bit more of a push if we can get one. But I will be looking for a reversal to come up here. Obviously there's fair value gap here, a big fair value gap here, a volume imbalance here. So would like to fill in. What does price do? Price comes to take out an old high or low. Check right here, right? This is what it did. Took out sell side. So took out old low, or it goes in to fill in inefficiency. So if we get a reversal and come in here, I'd like to be targeting to filling these inefficiencies. Okay. And then obviously you have the new week opening gap here, which is always a nice draw on liquidity as well. So let's just see how this plays out. You know what? I'm going to mark these out just so you can see these fair value gaps. So you see what I'm looking at as far as what if we're going to fill them. I'd like to see these getting filled. That'd be my first target, would be the high of these. But first I need a reversal pattern to set up. So interesting. Came in, filled in the partially this fair value gap. Would you go short? No, I'm still. This is much bigger. I'd rather it come up higher. You pull a fib from high to low, or from this to here. You'd still need to be about in the middle of this fair value gap to go short. Has a good enough pullback, so I'd be looking for a deeper retracement than that. No, that one's pretty good. Hmm. All right, so for to go along, I'd like to see this high being broke right here. I guess you could go with this one right here, but it better be, I need displacement. So really we're just looking for displacement at this point. And that's getting there and blocked in. We're after 4:30 now, so should be getting some movement here pretty quick. Okay, that broke through that right there. Market structure shift right there. Let's see if we get it. Okay, so we get a fair value gap there. I'd be putting a limit order right here. Stop would be, probably below this candle, to be honest. That's too short of an order. So, okay, well, I'm going to buy two there, even though it's right there. Okay, and let's move this over. This is still only 3.5 handles. So if I had my stop right here, it'd be 1.5, and I wouldn't do that. I would go 3.5 right there. And 1 to 2 risk to reward puts us right above this, filling this in all the way. Granted, we kind of already filled in the majority of it, but I'd like to see it get filled in. And ideally, I'd really like to see the new week opening gap get hit. I don't know if we actually, 3 is right here. Well, let's try for 3, but I actually don't know if I would hit it or not, but I'd go for the new week opening gap, filling these in, knowing that I could take a partial right above this. So that's what we'll do. We'll take a partial above that. All right, so let's keep going. Looking for a close above this for a partial. So anything above a close above this high, basically, I will take a partial and move my stop to break even. So there, I'm going to sell one there. And I'll put my stop break even. I'll move my trailing stop here so you can see it. Now my trailing stop's 1 + 1 right there. We get up closer to the new week opening gap, I'll start moving, trailing it up from the lows, but let's see where it goes here. Okay, so I'm going to flatten there because that would have taken us out right there. Move that like that. And let's just, let's see how it comes back down. Look at that. All right. Let's put that. All right, let's take the long position off. Okay, so we came to the chart and we saw that price was close to taking out sell side, right? We came to the chart, we saw it, and it actually did just take out sell side right there. So then we were like, okay, we got to wait and see what happens. We marked out 2 fair value gaps that we knew were going to be potential resistance going back up. Could be, if it traded back through it, this became an inversion, so we could use that to go back up. And actually, this is actually the inversion right here that took this all the way up. So this became an inversion fair value gap. But we saw that we had a market structure shift here, and we came in, we traded off the fair value gap. We took a partial above this fair value gap right here and exited at the top of the new week opening gap. Okay, and I could just show you that if you fair value gap, we're expecting it to hold price down. When it trades back through it, it's now a resistance. And look at how candles reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, and then these candles reacted to it. Never came to consequent encroachment other than a wick. And then look at that great move right there, and in the power hour right there. So that is your PM Silver Bullet trade for Monday, August 28th.